Welcome to Studio B, which is a part of our school communications. My name is Allie Gaddy, and I'm a current student here at the U studying public relations, theater, and sports administration. Here and in other experiential areas throughout the school, students learn to research, report, record, and design. The Broadcast Center houses 2 fully equipped digital television studios, control rooms, a broadcast up and down link studio, and a soundstage for motion picture production. In addition, for broadcast students studying meteorology, the center is equipped to deliver professional on-air graphics with real-time data feeds and weather visualization software. With industry experts, renowned scholars as professors, and a vast array of state-of-the-art equipment in their hands, students gain experience through immersive classes and award-winning student-run media organizations like UMTV, Distraction Magazine, the Miami Hurricane newspaper, the IBIS Yearbook, and WVUM 90.5 The Voice. Interested in learning how to work with clients and manage business communications, all while adding experience to your resume? Join our student-run consultancy, Orange Umbrella, where students of all majors offer professional communication services to local nonprofit clients. Studying within our School of Communications offers a valuable path towards gaining essential and relevant expertise through a combination of rigorous coursework and inspiring experiences.